The 2023 Chevrolet Colorado is leaps and bounds ahead of its predecessor, packing in a lot of truck for not a lot of money. With prices starting from $29,200, the Colorado is hard to ignore, and there are 5 trim options to choose from depending on your use case. The third-generation Colorado features a major revamp and is now a new truck with new styling and the 2.7-liter turbocharged borrowed from the Silverado. So let's look at 10 things you need to know before buying the 2023 Chevrolet Colorado. It is not news that the Colorado has been subject to a major makeover with revamped styling and underpinnings. However, you will be glad to know that Colorado has grown in size from its predecessor. The pickup truck now sports a longer wheelbase of 131.4 inches in contrast to the outgoing model's 128.3 inches. The mid-sized pickup also now measures 212.7 inches in length, 84.4 inches in width, and 81.9 inches in total height, making it significantly larger than the outgoing model. Chevrolet is going all out with the options and is offering 5 trim options for the Colorado. The Work Truck, LT, Z71, ZR2, and Trail Boss. The last is a first for Colorado and a focused trail-ready version. The ZR2 needs no further introduction as it is the most wicked version of Colorado you can buy. Other variants are also well-equipped and can even be configured with a 2-wheel drivetrain option if your budget does not permit a 4-wheel drive. These versatile trim options mean there's a Colorado for everyone. Gone are the soft edges and the mellowed styling, and in place, the 2023 Chevrolet Colorado packs an assertive and aggressive design with sharp edges and a stance that shouts sheer road presence. All 5 variants look mature, while the Colorado ZR2 dons the most aggressive design of them all. The new Colorado has grown into a handsome hunk with a commanding design language accentuated by elements such as muscular fenders, a new face with slim headlights, and large tail lamps. For 2023, there's neither a diesel engine option nor a V6 engine option. Chevrolet is offering the Colorado with a single engine option which is lifted from the bigger Silverado. Yes, the capable 2.7-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine is available in 3 output figures depending upon the trim. The first has 237 horsepower and 259 pound-feet of torque, the second has 310 horsepower and 390 pound-feet, and the third has 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet. Updates to the engine include a rigid cylinder block casting and a 30% stiffer crankshaft that sits around a fully forged bottom. Just like the diesel engine, Chevrolet is also letting go of the manual transmission in the new Colorado. The 2.7-liter turbo 4-cylinder mill is mated to a second-generation Hydra-Matic 8L 88-speed automatic transmission. Ardent Colorado fans might remember this gearbox and its ill reputation from previous Colorado. Well, Chevrolet claims to have fixed all the concerns with the second generation, which comes with refinements for faster and smoother gear changes and is tuned to be more tractable on off-road trails. Sitting at the apex of Colorado's food chain is the ZR2, a monster of a Dakar-ready truck with 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet on tap. It can tow up to 7,700 pounds and is the most hardcore Colorado with a high-performance 3-inch lifted suspension and Multimatic DSSV dampers for extra control. The other bits that make the ZR2 special are the flared fenders, butch bumpers, 17-inch wheels with 33-inch OD/MT tires, 10 cameras, an underbody camera, and 5 drive modes, including one that says Baja. The new 42023 Trail Boss is an off-road ready Colorado that is more focused than other versions, but not as mental as the ZR2. It strikes the perfect balance within all available variants. It comes with enough kit to wow you: a wider wheel track, a 2-inch factory suspension lift, a wider track, and parameters such as a 30.5-degree approach angle, 22.4-degree departure angle, and 21 degrees of more than enough breakover angle. The engine develops 310 horsepower with 390 pound-feet of twist handled by a 2-speed transfer case and a rear limited slip differential. What's also new for 2023 is a completely overhauled cabin that looks upmarket, both in terms of design and the tech it packs. The highlight is the 11.3-inch infotainment system and the 8-inch instrument clusters surrounded by a clean design and a 4-spoke steering wheel. Each of the trim variants gets a different interior treatment. For example, the ZR2 gets contrast stitching hinting at its sporty appeal. The list is endless, and the standout features are 10 cameras on board, an extra-large wireless charging pad, built-in Google, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an optional panoramic roof. Safety kit includes collision alert, emergency brake, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, automatic high beam assist, adaptive cruise control, rear pedestrian alert, and more. If that doesn't cut it for you, Chevy is also offering a first-in-class Stowflex tailgate along with a host of other features as an option. The sticker price for the base Colorado work truck starts from $29,200, going all the way up to $46,800, without options, for the Colorado ZR2. Prices for the Trial Boss start at $37,000, which is great value considering how capable it is. Considering the fact that the Colorado is a hugely capable pickup truck with a host of features, a new potent engine, and a rich cabin, we think Chevrolet's pricing is on point and not too exorbitant compared to the outgoing version, which starts at over $26,000.